ኦኬ ሰላም ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? ውድ ያሰፋ ቱቶሪያል ቤተሰቦች ዛሬም በሌላ ቪዲዮ ተገናኝተናል። ኢኮኖሚክስ ግሬድ 10 ፓርት 1 ቻፕተር 1 ቲዮሪ ኦፍ ኮንሱመር ቢሄቪየር ምንድነው የሚለው ቶፒክ ዲስከስ እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እዚህ ቻፕተር ላይ ወይ እዚህ ዩኒት ላይ ዋዝ ቲዮሪ ኦፍ ኮንሱመር ቢሄቪየር ፍሮም ዘ ቲዮሪ ኦፍ ኮንሱመር ቢሄቪየር ዋት ኢዝ ዘ ኮንሴፕት ኦፍ ዩቲሊቲ ዋት ዘ ኮንሴፕት ኦፍ ዩቲሊቲ and what are the approaches to measure utility and what are the types of utility. That means what is total utility, average utility and marginal utility, and what kind of relationships are exist total utility and marginal utility, and how to calculate marginal utility, and equilibrium of consumer as well as law of diminishing marginal utility are basic point which will be discussed in this video. So if you're new for this channel, don't forget making of copy link, share and subscribe. Let us to start what does mean utility. So unit 1 theory of consumer behavior ሚለው ውስጥ what's the concept of utility የሚለውን እናያለን ማለት ነው። What's the concept of utility? Good. So utility simply it's satisfaction. It's satisfaction that shows consumer satisfaction that shows what? Utility simply is satisfaction that shows consumer obtained by the consuming of different goods and services called utility any satisfaction you can say any satisfaction in which consumer earns or obtains by the consuming of different goods and services called utility እንለዋለን ማለት ነው። ዩቲሊቲ ሳቲስፋክሽን ነው ወይ እርካታ ማለት ነው። ኮንሱመሮች የሆነ ኮሞዲቲ ኮንሱም አድርጎ የሚያገኙት እርካታ ወይ ሳቲስፋክሽን ዩቲሊቲ እንለዋለን። ሶ ዩቲሊቲ ዶንት ሚስ ዲስ ፖይንት እርካታ ማለት ነው ዩቲሊቲ ብለናል። የሆነ ኮሞዲቲ ኮንሱም አድርገን የምናገኘው እርካታ ወይ ሳቲስፋክሽን ዩቲሊቲ ይባላል። ዩቲሊቲ ካን ቢ ሞራል ዶንት ሚስ ፖይንት ዩቲሊቲ ካን ቢ ኢሞራል ዩቲሊቲ ካን ቢ ሌጋል ዩቲሊቲ ካን ቢ ኢሌጋል ሶ ዩቲሊቲ ካን ቢ ሰብጀክቲቭ ማለት ሶ ዩቲሊቲ ኢዝ ሰብጀክቲቭ utility is subjective. What does mean subjective? Simply utility is different from person to person or human being to human being ማለት ነው። ዩቲሊቲ ሰብጀክቲቭ ነው ሲባል ምን ማለት ነው? ዩቲሊቲ ከአንድ ሰው ከሌላ ሰው ይለያል ማለት ሰው ከሰው ይለያል ማለት ስለዚህ ዩቲሊቲ ሰው ከሰው ይለያል። therefore አንድ ሰውን በጣም ሳቲስፋይ የሚያደርገው ነገር ሌላ ሰውን ደግሞ ሳቲስፋይ ሊያደርገው ይችላል ማለት ነው። So utility is different from time to time and place to place. Utility is different from time to time and place to place. ምን ማለት ነው? time to time ሲባል ምን ማለት ነው? በጠዋት ተነስተን ቡና ብንጠጣና ከዛ ምሳ ሰዓት ላይ ቡና ብንጠጣ የምናገኘው እርካታ አንድ አይነት አይደለም። ስለዚህ it's different from time to time and place to place እንለዋለን ማለት ነው። good. Then utility and usefulness are not synonym or not the same. Utility means does not mean that what usefulness because utility measures consumer centric and usefulness measures producer centric. Therefore due to this reason utility is not mean that what usefulness utility ማለት usefulness ማለት አይደለም። utility ስለ consumer centric ነው measure የሚያደርግልን usefulness ደግሞ producer centric ስለሆነ measure የሚያደርገው utility እና usefulness አንድ አይነት አይደሉም ማለት don't miss this point. So utility is not mean that usefulness. So these are basic point about utility. So let us proceed. What are the approaches to measuring utility? So there are two major approaches to measure utility or to compare utility. The first one is cardinal utility approach or method, and the second method is ordinal utility approach or method. ምንላቸው ሁለት ሜትዶች ይኖራሉ። ዩቲሊቲ ሜዥር ለማድረግ ሁለት ሜትዶች አሉ። ካርዲናል ዩቲሊቲ አፕሮች እና ordinal utility approach ይባላሉ ማለት ነው። ካርዲናሊስት simply assume that utility can be measured in terms of number. ካርዲናሊስቶች ምን የሚሉ ናቸው? እርካታ ወይ ሳቲስፋክሽን ወይ ዩቲሊቲ የሆነ ኮሞዲቲ ኮንሱም አድርገን የምናገኘውን እርካታ በቁጥር ኤክስፕረስ ማድረግ እንችላለን። በቁጥር ሜጀር ማድረግ እንችላለን። በቁጥር ስንት ያህል ፐርሰንቴጅ ሳቲስፋይ እንዲሆን ሜጀር ማድረግ እንችላለን የሚሉ ናቸው። Due to this reason we can conclude that cardinalists simply assume that utility is possible to measure in terms of number by using utils. Utils means a unit which is used to measuring what utility. Unit of measurement which is used to use measuring of utility or satisfaction is called utilist. So this theory is called cardinalist school of thought or cardinalist utility approach. ስለዚህ don't miss this point. Okay? ካርዲናሊስቶች ምን የሚሉ ናቸው? ዩቲሊቲን ወይ እርካታ የሆነ ኮሞዲቲ ኮንሱም አድርገን የምናገኘውን እርካታ በቁጥር ሜጀር ማድረግ እንችላለን የሚሉ ናቸው ነው። ኦርዲናሊስቶች ደግሞ ዩቲሊቲን በፍጹም በቁጥር ሜጀር ማድረግ አንችልም። ራንክ ማድረግ እንችላለን ኮምፔር ማድረግ ነው የምንችለው እንጂ cannot be measured in terms of number የሚሉ ናቸው እነማን ኦርዲናሊስቶች ማለት this is the main difference between cardinalists and ordinalist utility theory or approach okay approach I think it's okay so let us to start with the cardinalist utility theory I said before cardinalist simply assumes that utility is possible to measure in terms of arbitrary number that by using unit that's called useless የሚባል ሳዩኒት ተጠቅመን ዩቲሊቲን በቁጥር ሜጀር ማድረግ እንችላለን ሚሉ ናቸው ካርዲናሊስትስ ዩቲሊቲ ቲዮሪ የምንላቸው ማለት ነው good so under this utility theory there are different assumptions of cardinalist utility theory the first one is rationality of consumer what does mean rationality of consumer the rational means the term rational means the main objective of the consumer is maximizing of utility ማለት ነው ያንዳንዱ የኮንሱመሮች ዋና ዓላማ ዩቲሊቲ ማክሲማይዝ ማድረግ ከሆነ ነው ይሄ የሚሰራው ማለት ነው this reason the main objective or the goal of the consumer is assumed to be maximizing of utility this term is called rationality of the consumer then the second assumption utility is cardinal means measurable we said before the cardinal ማለት በቁጥር ሜጀር ማድረግ የምንችለው ነው ማለት ነው ብለናል then the third assumption constant marginal utility of money constant marginal utility of money ይለናል constant marginal utility of money so what is marginal utility this is basic point which will be discussing this point so there is diminishing marginal utility and the total utility of the consumer is a basket of goods depend on the quantity of individual commodities ይለናል that means total utility of the consumer is the sum of all commodities of the consumer consumed are some assumptions or features or the characters of cardinal utility theory ማለት so diminishing marginal utility አለ ሲባል ምን ማለት ነው diminishing marginal utility አንድ ነገር ማወቅ ያለበት diminishing marginal utility ማለት ማርጂናል ማለት ተጨማሪ satisfaction ወይ እርካታ ማለት ተጨማሪ ኮሞዲቲ ስንበላ ወይ ተጨማሪ ነገር ስናደርግ የምናገኘው ተጨማሪ እርካታ ማርጂናል ዩቲሊቲ ይባላል ማርጂናል ዩቲሊቲ ስለዚህ diminishing marginal utility ማለት አንድ አይነት ኮሞዲቲ በተመሳሳይ ሰዓት ምንም ታይም ጋፕ ሳይኖረው ኮንቲኒዩስሊ በጣም ኮንሱም ያደረግን ብንሄድ የምናገኘው ተጨማሪ እርካታ ምን ይሆን ይሄዳል ማለት ነው እየቀነሰ ይሄዳል ይሄ diminishing marginal utility እንለዋለን diminishing marginal utility then ምንድነው የሚለው ሌሎች ኮሞዲቲዎች ከሆነ ማርጂናል ዩቲሊቲያቸው አንድ አይነት ኮሞዲቲ ደጋግመን ኮንሱም ብናደርግ የምናገኘው ተጨማሪ እርካታ በጣም እየቀነሰ ይሄዳል ነገር ግን ገንዘብ ከሆነ ማርጂናል ዩቲሊቲ ኮንስታንት ነው ይላል constant marginal utility of money በነገራችን ላይ this assumption is unrealistic assumption this assumption does not be goes with reality okay የትኛው ሀገር ላይ marginal utility of money constant ሊሆን አይችልም ወይ ይጨምራል ወይ ይቀንሳል ማለት ስለዚህ the greatest limitation for the cardinalist utility theory or approach is assuming of marginal utility of money is constant ማለታቸው ነው ማለት ነው good so these are assumptions before proceed other topic I want us to revise one is what are the assumptions of cardinalist utility theory the first one is consumers are assumed to be rational what's the term rational the main objective or the goal of consumer is maximizing of utility the second one utility is cardinal or measurable we said constant marginal utility of money diminishing marginal utility there is diminishing marginal utility the total utility of consumer is the sum of all commodities consumers consumed are some assumptions of cardinal utility theory so other is types of utility there are different types of utility from those the first one is total utility ማለት አጠቃላይ እርካታ ይሄ ማለት ምን ማለት ነው አንድ ኮንሱመር የተለያዩ ኮሞዲቲዎች ኮንሱምስ አርጎ የሚያገኘው ቶታል ሳቲስፋክሽን total utility but the total satisfaction consumer earns or obtains by the consuming of different goods and services is called total utility don't miss it the total satisfaction consumer which obtained by the consuming of one more total different goods and services is called total utility sorry so how to calculate total utility we can calculate by making utility 1 which obtained by the consuming of commodity 1 utility 2 which obtained by the consuming of commodity 2 plus utility 3 which obtained by the consuming of commodity 3 plus utility 4 which obtained consuming of commodity 4 up to utility n ማለት utility n ስለዚህ ያንዳንዱ ኮሞዲቲ ኮንሱመር ጋር ያገኘነውን አጠቃላይ እርካታ ደምረን የምናገኘው አጠቃላይ ሳቲስፋክሽን ቶታል ዩቲሊቲ ይባላል ማለት ነው good the second one is marginal utility simply additional or extra utility consumer earns by the consuming of what one more additional product is called marginal utility ተጨማሪ እርካታ ማለት ነው ተጨማሪ እርካታ ምን አድርገን የምናገኘው ተጨማሪ እርካታ ተጨማሪ ኮሞዲቲ ኮንሱም ስናደርግ የምናገኘው ተጨማሪ እርካታ ማርጂናል ዩቲሊቲ ነው። Due to this reason, additional or extra utility consumer earns by the consuming one more additional product is called marginal utility. Then the subtypes of utility is average utility, per unit utility of the consumer is called average utility. How to calculate average utility? Changing total utility divided by Q argan calculate ማድረግ እንችላለን ማለት ነው። Then let us see how to calculate marginal utility. Marginal utility mathematically you can calculate by making changing total utility changing Q. Changing total utility changing Q. How to calculate changing total utility? You can calculate final minus initial, and changing Q you can calculate Q1 minus Q0. Q1 means final, Q0 means initial, and changing total utility TU1 minus TU1 not, T1 means final, TU0 means initial. Again calculate ማድረግ እንችላለን ማለት ነው። Let us see one mathematical example. Assume to be we have quantity here, quantity 0 up to 7. Then we have total utility 0, 10, 80, 25, 24, 28, 30, and 28. So how to calculate marginal utility? In the first column, we cannot be calculate marginal utility. We must be make hyphen. Okay, hyphen ነው የምናደርገው። ከዛ change ነው የምንሰራው ብለናል። ከ0 ወደ 10 ሄዷል። ይሄ total utility ደግሞ ከ0 ወደ 1 ነው ሄደው። ከዛ 10 minus 0 ሲከፈል ለ1 ሳደርገው 10 አገኛለሁ ማለት ነው። 10 ከዛ ከ10 ወደ 18 ነው ሄደው 18 minus 10 divided by 2 minus 1 ስናደርገው we obtain 8 ማለት ነው። Then we have 80 to 24 minus 80 divided by what? The difference is only 1 by difference is what? It becomes 6. 28 minus 24 we obtain 4. Then 30 minus 28 divided by 1 we obtain 2. Then 30 minus 30 we obtain what? 0. Then we have decline. 28 minus 30 we obtain -2. So by using this example we can calculate marginal utility. So በእናንተ ደረጃ ይሄ ሆነ እንጂ marginal utility በፋንክሽን ከተሰጠን derivative of total utility respect to dq አድርገንም ካልኩሌት ማድረግ እንችላለን። derivative of total utility respect to dq አድርገን ካልኩሌት ማድረግም እንችላለን ማለት ነው። So let us see what kind of relationships are there in total utility and marginal utility. When the total utility increase, marginal utility is positive. Don't miss this point. ቶታል ዩቲሊቲ የጨመረ ሲሄድ ማርጂናል ዩቲሊቲ ፖዚቲቭ ነው፣ ግን የቀነሰ ነው የሚሆነው። ምን ማለት ነው? ሚኒንጉ አንድ አይነት ኮሞዲቲ ላይክ በየአይነት ብንበላ የምናገኘው ተጨማሪ እርካታ የቀነሰ ነው። ስለዚህ ማክሲመም እስከሚደርስ ድረስ የቀነሰን ቢሆን ፖዚቲቭ ይሆናል። Therefore we can conclude that when the total utility increase, marginal utility is positive. When the total utility is decrease, marginal utility is what? Negative. When the total utility is reached to the maximum, marginal utility is become what? 0. Okay, become to 0. So these are basic relationship between total utility and marginal utility. So let us see graphically. አሁን እዚህ ጋር ኳንቲቲ ዲማንድ አለ፣ እዚህ ጋር ቶታል ዩቲሊቲ አለ። እቺኛው ላይን ቶታል ዩቲሊቲ ናት፣ ይሄኛው ላይን ደግሞ ማርጂናል ዩቲሊቲ ነው ማለት ነው። አሁን ማርጂናል ዩቲሊቲ ቶታል ዩቲሊቲ እየጨመረ ሲሄድ እስከዚህ ድረስ የጨመረ ነው፣ ከዚህ ተነስቶ እስከዚህ ድረስ ቶታል ዩቲሊቲ የጨመረ ነው ማለት ነው። ማርጂናል ዩቲሊቲ ምን ይሆናል? የቀነሰ ነው ቢሆን ፖዚቲቭ ነው፣ እስከዚህ ድረስ ፖዚቲቭ ነው ማለት ነው። ግን እዚች ፖይንት ላይ ቶታል ዩቲሊቲ ማክሲመም ሲደርስ፣ እዚች ጋር ቶታል ዩቲሊቲ ማክሲመም ሲደርስ እዚህ ፖይንት ላይ ማርጂናል ዩቲሊቲ ምን ይሆናል ማለት? 0 ይሆናል። ዳንዊስ 0 therefore ምን ማለት ነው? አንድ ኮሞዲቲ ስንበላ ላይ ይሰለቸናል አይደል? ሰለቸን ማለት ምንም ብናገኘው ተጨማሪ እርካታ የለም ማለት ነው። ተጨማሪ እርካታ ከሌለ ማርጂናል ዩቲሊቲ ምን ሆነ ማለት ነው? 0 ይሆናል። This is the reason when the total utility is reached to the maximum, marginal utility is become to 0. When the total utility is increasing, marginal utility is positive, but it's decreasing. When the total utility start to decline, because each point በኋላ total utility decline ያደረገ ሲሄድ marginal utility ወዴት ይገባል ማለት ነው? ወደ ኔጌቲቭ ውስጥ ይገባል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ጄኔራላይዝ ስናደርገው ቶታል ዩቲሊቲ ከጨመረ ማርጂናል ዩቲሊቲ ፖዚቲቭ ነው፣ ከቀነሰ ኔጌቲቭ ነው፣ ማክሲመም ከደረሰ ደግሞ ማርጂናል ዩቲሊቲ 0 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። 0. So by considering this, we have relationship was discussed before. When the total utility increase, marginal utility is positive. When the total utility is maximized, marginal utility is 0. When the total utility is decreased, marginal utility is negative. No, negative. So this is all about for today's lesson and for part 1. If you have any question, any suggestion, any comment, please put your comment on comment section. I will answer it, and the next video we will proceed what's the law of diminishing marginal utility and what are the equilibrium of consumer, our basic point which will be discussed in the next video. So this is all about for today's lesson. Enough for today.